What's the laziest way for beginners to make money online? That's one of the most common questions I get asked, and honestly, who doesn't want to make good money with minimal effort, all while having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? So as a millionaire businessman, I'm going to use my knowledge to finally answer this question.
We love Mark Tilbury. His videos are clear, crisp, and simple to understand for everyone. And because I love the videos so much, I have analyzed it using AI so you don't have to. And the method he's talking about is called Flame. It's not one method, it's basically 5 different ways to make money. However, I agree with something and I disagree with something. According to Mark, this is the method where you make the maximum money in the easiest possible way. And in my opinion, this is the best way to make money for beginners who have a 9-to-5 or an existing business. And you literally have not more than 2 to 3 hours per day to try a side hustle. Then this is for you. Let's keep watching. At the end of the video, I will tell you the rating of each side hustle based on ease of starting, ability to make $100 per day, and maintenance. And I will tell you the reasons.
Method 1, freelancing. This is all about using your skills to earn money online by working directly with clients. There are tons of skills you can choose from, including video editing, social media management, graphic design, copywriting, and website development.
Wait a minute. Does any of these look easy to you? I don't know. I mean, I have been in this industry for more than a decade and made over 8 figures. Over $10 million online using digital marketing, and I know all of this. And every single day, these look like rocket science to me. But hey, I have team members who do it for me. I have freelancers who do it for me. And honestly, I had to learn them myself as well. Because without each of these and all these, no one can make money. Where does it take us? You have to learn these skills, more or less, if you want to make money online. And if you do freelancing, you will have to learn a couple of skills that will help your clients and yourself make a lot of money. You will be able to test those skills. You will be able to build a network of other freelancers and potential clients. You will be able to build reputation and get testimonials for your good work. And when you know that your work, your skills are making money for your clients, then you will become confident that if you implement those skills to build your business, you will make money as well. This sounds good?
To start making good money, you'll probably need at least this amount of time to learn and build a portfolio. The most popular skills like video editing, design, and copywriting have tons of tutorials on YouTube, which can help you level up very quickly. For fulfillment, I'm going to say this is pretty hard. Dealing with clients one-on-one can be a bit tricky. I remember when my son was freelancing as a video editor. Every week he'd be venting about a client who kept requesting changes that he felt made the video worse. It was so frustrating for him because they just didn't get it, but he had to keep his cool, play nice, and make those changes anyway. It's tough to do, especially when you're passionate about a project and feel like someone is dragging it down. Now for scalability, I'm going to say this one is pretty limited. In freelancing, your income is tied directly to your time. This means there's a cap on your earnings unless you either charge higher rates or hire other people to do the work for you.
And finally, the risk is pretty low because you're not really investing any money. You're mostly investing your time. Now let's check the rating. According to AI, ease of starting is 3 out of 5 because you need skills. If you don't have skills, you need to learn skills. Ability to make $100 per day is pretty easy and possible once you have a good start. So it's 4 out of 5. But maintenance is really hard because every time you need to work and the results are directly related to your time and your effort. So let me know in the comment, do you like freelancing? At this point, let me introduce to you Freelancer Pro AI. With this platform, you can build website, write articles, create videos, design logos, create music and image, generate stories, generate content, and even integrate chatbot, either as a freelancer or as a client. Or when you have access to this platform, you will become the owner of a freelancer platform like Fiverr or Upwork. So you can make money as an owner of the platform, you can make money as a freelancer, and you can make money when other freelancers use your platform. How cool is that? This is a platform that I highly recommend because maybe it's my platform. If you scroll below, you'll find a demo video that will show you how the platform works. I will leave the link to this website somewhere in the description. Go check it out. The next in the list is Lease, Airbnb, arbitrage.
This is a money-making method where you rent out a property on a long-term lease and then rent it out short-term on platforms like Airbnb. Essentially, you're acting as the middleman, taking advantage of the price difference between your long-term lease and the short-term rental rates. This can be a great way to generate passive income without having to own the property yourself. You'll need to get permission from the owner, but you'd be surprised how many landlords are okay with this. They either don't know how to operate an Airbnb or don't have the time to do it themselves. So how lazy is it? This one has a 1 to 3 month learning curve. Getting the hang of Airbnb arbitrage doesn't take too long. You need to spend a bit of time learning about the platform, understanding local rental laws, and getting familiar with property management.
This niche always sounds good to me because everyone talks about real estate, rental, passive income. You're not taking responsibility of a real estate, but you are earning passive income as a middleman. However,
here's the bad news though. This is going to require 5K to 15K of startup capital.
So when money comes easy, it goes easy, but it goes before it comes. That is literally always the case with money. You risk $5,000 to $15,000 on something that you have no idea of. You will have to learn from experts. Spend 5K to 15K on your first deal just to try. And you don't know whether it's going to be good or bad. And now you learn again. If it goes bad, you cannot just stop because this way you will lose all your investments and the time you spend on learning. So even if it goes bad and you don't make profit, you have to keep trying until it becomes good. By then, you probably already lost a bunch of money. Let's say 3 times this money. And when it is good, you simply break even, which means after breaking even, you are at $0 profit. Now, I'm not discouraging you. I'm simply telling you the reality. This is called business. If this sounds risky to you and you don't want to risk your hard-earned money, then I recommend try something with literally zero risk. And this business model that we use in our program is completely zero risk. So stay tuned. I'm going to show this to you in a moment. According to AI, Airbnb arbitrage has a rating of 3 out of 5 for ease of starting because it has upfront cost. Ability to make $100 per day is 4 out of 5. It's true, but it happens when you actually start making money. And the maintenance is 3 out of 5. In my opinion, it should be 2 out of 5. Do you like this arbitrage? Let me know in the comment.
Method 3, an eBay shop. This is a great way to make money by selling products online. You can sell anything from vintage clothing and electronics to handmade items, or even get rid of stuff you don't need. With millions of users, eBay offers a massive marketplace where you can reach potential buyers without needing to set up an actual shop in the street. But the question is, how lazy is it? Well, we're going to find out. The learning curve for this is around about 2 weeks.
That sounds crazy. I love it.
Started with eBay is pretty straightforward. Before diving in, think about what kind of products you want to sell. Are you into vintage clothing, collectibles, electronics, or something else? You can then use eBay's search function to see what's popular and in demand in your chosen niche. Then you just need to create your eBay seller account and source your products. As I mentioned before, you can start with things in your house that you don't want anymore.
You can literally go to Facebook Marketplace and search for stuff. You can search anything, like search for apparels, electronics. I think I personally like to buy this one. And it's taking me to another website. And they have 0 reviews. I don't want to buy from them. More importantly, they're selling at 75 dirhams, which is around $15. Like it should be $250 in price. That's crazy. And that's the crazy part about these marketplaces. A lot of times they will show you low price or even 0 price. I mean, free. But when you contact them, they will charge for more money. And sometimes they will deliver bad product. Anyways, that's a part of arbitrage on eBay. Buy cheap from other places, sell on eBay at a higher price. But the good news is,
I'd say you need at least $500 of startup capital. To get your shop off the ground, you'll need to use this initial money for stock, depending on what you want to sell.
I think it's okay because when you make profit, you make a lot of profit.
$500 can be a reasonable starting point. You can find good deals at thrift stores, garage sales, or even wholesale suppliers like DHgate, who I mentioned earlier. I'd say this is medium risk.
Yep, I agree. Because sometimes you spend money buying stuff and you won't be able to sell it. Even if you sell it, you won't make profit. Because my friend, you are enjoying a side hustle that has 4 out of 5 for ease of starting Ability to make $100 per day is 4 out of 5, and maintenance is 3 out of 5. That's not bad at all. In order to enjoy all those benefits, you might have to accept a little losses. Now comes my most favorite one, and I believe this is the largest, fastest, and easiest money maker.
Method 4, affiliate marketing. This is a great way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. You get paid a commission for every sale made through your referral link.
That's the definition of affiliate marketing. Let me write it down because I'm excited. Marketing through affiliate channels. You do not need your own product. You do not need your own website. You do not need to sell. You do not need to source products, or you do not need to ship anything. You do not need to provide customer support. All you need is just do what Mark just said. Send customers to your personal affiliate link, and when they buy, happy you make money.
You help someone sell their products while earning a little something for yourself. No need to handle products or do any customer service. So let's see how this stacks up against the other methods. The learning curve for this one is super short. I'd say 1 to 2 days. All you really need to do is to sign up to different affiliate programs. You can use sites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and my favorite, Impact. I'd recommend going onto these sites and seeing what companies are offering the best commissions. Then you can start thinking about how you can get people to start using your link.
And that's where the problem is. Finding these people who will use your affiliate link to buy from you to make you happy and rich. This is where I want to take a little time and advertise my program. My companies have generated over 8 figures with digital marketing, and we mostly used affiliate marketing. We promoted other people's products as affiliates, and we got other people promoting our products as affiliates. Together, we made over 8 figures. I mean, over $10 million in sales revenue. And only last year, we started a program to help beginners just like you to be able to earn just like us. And we got tons of our students earned massive high-ticket affiliate commissions. When these students joined our program, 95% of them were totally new. They had zero idea what is affiliate marketing, how to do and what to do. Not only they learned, but also they got our help. And our system is 99% done for you. In our program, we show you how to get customers from social media using AI and 90 minutes per day of your time. So literally, if you have a 9-to-5 job, or if you have an existing business and you want to start a side hustle or start a profitable side business, then this program is for you. And because you are learning how to get customers 100% free using AI and using social media, you can use this knowledge and system in your existing business. You can help other businesses generate leads and customers and get paid for that. You can use this knowledge to work as a freelancer or an agency and help your clients get more customers for their businesses. If you are interested to learn more about our program, literally 99% done for you program, that will help you earn high ticket affiliate commissions like these beginner students, all you need to do is to watch the free training from the link below this video, probably in the description. This video is completely free to watch, and we will transparently show you how we run our business and how we help beginner students just like you earn high-ticket affiliate commissions. And after watching, if you think this is for you, feel free to sign up to our program. If you have questions, awesome. DM me on Instagram. I would be more than happy to answer all your questions. But I can assure you, after watching this training, you will get away with a complete concept about high-ticket affiliate marketing that you can do without paid advertisement, with completely free traffic, 99% done for you. You will never get this knowledge from anywhere else. So I highly recommend whoever you are or whatever you do, watch the free training video from the link in the description. According to AI, affiliate marketing gets 5 out of 5 rating for ease of starting. Ability to make $100 a day should be 6 out of 5, not 3 out of 5. Maintenance, 5 out of 5. That's not 100% true. So I disagree with AI. Maintenance should be 4 out of 5 because you need to consistently generate traffic, and that's your only job. and ability to make $100 per day is 6 out of 5. What it means is you can't fail in this system. There is no way you can't make $100 per day, but you have to give it a start. And I recommend start from the link in the description.
AI-built Shopify store is a great shortcut for anyone looking to start e-commerce without the typical learning curve. With this approach, you can set up a store, have winning products selected for you, and automate inventory and fulfillment, all thanks to the power of AI.
So that's where Mark thinks you make all the money easily. So E stands for e-commerce with AI Shopify store. Reason number one, I disagree with this is because a lot of Muslim scholars agree that traditional dropshipping is not halal. Since I am not a scholar, I'm not going to tell you what to do. All I want to tell you is you should speak to your favorite scholar and make sure you keep in touch with them throughout your Shopify journey. Make sure you do halal business to earn halal income.
The learning curve is practically zero. This is as beginner friendly as it gets.
I totally disagree with this. There cannot be any hustle, any side hustle, any money making without the learning curve. You have to spend minimum 10 hours to learn something, right? Do you not call it a learning curve?
Head over to buildyourstore.ai. I'll leave a link in the description and click Start Your Free Store. The tool guides you through each step, beginning with a prompt for basic details like your name and email. You'll then be asked to choose a niche, with popular options like fashion, electronics, and pets available. Selecting a niche that aligns with your interests can make the store easier to promote in the long run. The AI even helps you with store aesthetics, giving you the options for banners, layouts, and color schemes.
Okay, he's going through all the bells and whistles of AI Shopify. Because in the description, he is using his affiliate link. Affiliate link? Isn't this suspicious? I mean, he's doing affiliate marketing using his videos, but he's saying the best way to make money is drop shipping with AI Shopify? I leave the decision to you. Doesn't it mean that affiliate marketing is the go-to way to make money? Okay, listen, no matter how many bells and whistles you hear from others, here is how drop shipping works. You will have an online store, and here you have to pay monthly recurring fees whether you make money or not. Now, how do you make money? Let's say this is a drop shipper company who has products. You do your research, choose products, and slap it in your store. Now you drive traffic, like the real traffic, to your online store. If they choose your product, they buy, and you are happy because you made money. Now, don't be that happy because your customers did not get the product yet. In order for your customers to get the products, you need to buy the product from the dropshipper company and give the customer details to them. Now they will ship the products to your customers. And now that your customers are happy, they will give you a 5-star rating. Now I have 2 questions to you. Number 1, your selling price must be higher than buying price. Only then you will make profit. Are you sure you're going to make profit? I'm not sure because tons of people tried and failed big time. Number 2, where are you getting the customers from? If you can drive traffic, then why doing drop shipping and earning pennies? Why not selling your own products? Why not selling digital products? And why not affiliate marketing where you do not need your store, you do not need to pay monthly recurring fees, you do not need to do research, look for products. After sales, you do not need to buy. It's all done by the product owner in case of affiliate marketing. So as an affiliate marketer, in affiliate marketing, the only thing an affiliate marketer needs to do is to drive traffic. And in our program, we teach our students how to drive free traffic. But this free traffic doesn't work in drop shipping. Well, that's a long story. I might have to cover that in another video. So in my opinion, I don't agree with AI that ease of starting is 5 out of 5, ability to make $100 a day is 5 out of 5, and maintenance is 5 out of 5. Because in my opinion, this is wrong and this is wrong. If you want to give it a try to drop shipping, go ahead, do it. I do not recommend it. So my final recommendation is affiliate marketing with AI, automated funnel, and 99% done for you system where the technical work is done for you by experts. All you need to do is use AI, use free social media, and drive traffic to your automated funnel. This automated funnel does the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission, like these beginner students in our program. I'm literally talking about my program now. Yes, if you want to learn more about our program and how we do it, how we help our students, the free training is in the description. Go watch it. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button so YouTube can notify you when we upload our next video. Please like this video, share with your friends and family. And if you want to learn more about other money-making techniques, then watch these videos and these videos. And we will see you on the next one.